Okay, guys, welcome to this terrific Tuesday and the 60th episode of Only Positive News. हाँ जी, 60th episode हो गए. पता नहीं चला how 60 episodes happened, but yes, we are here on the 60 episodes. So as you can see, this is the shrink and the nut. The nut is somewhere upstairs right now because this. So hi, Nut, how are you doing? And the thing is, so let's first of all go to the positive news because today we are going to discuss a very very important subject with my sister Dr. Anjali Chhabria about about mental health issues, emotional well-being among you teenagers. सब तुम लोग youngsters लोग इतने तुम लोग को problem है ना. We're going to talk about all those things. So first, let me talk about the positive news. First of all, एक तो sports से तो बहुत अच्छी positive news है. You know, this Bundesliga, the German football league has already started. कल already matches हो गए. ये last weekend में सब matches हो गए थे. और millions of people watch it on on TV. Again, one more good news coming from sports is cricket. So the English cricket team has started practicing from this week onwards, and they're going to say that they have been told to carry their own balls, which is you should always carry your own balls. I don't know why they're carrying other people's balls. They cannot, put the saliva on the balls. Okay, I don't know. Everything is sounding very bad. And last, they are supposed to carry their own water bottle. So yes, so there's practice शुरू हो गई है. मतलब practice शुरू हो गई मतलब they are thinking of playing matches. तो देखो सब ठीक हो रहा है. तुम लोग चिंता मत करो. Also, one more good news coming from the world of cricket is Shoaib Akhtar. I think he was called the Rawalpindi Express. Rawalpindi उसका ही नाम था ना, I don't know. हाँ. So he had when he used to play with the Kolkata Knight Riders, he had won a man of the match award. Or Shah Rukh Khan had gifted him a KKR helmet signed by Shah Rukh Khan, and he has donated that for charity. Because Pakistan में भी काफी cases हो रहे हैं, and even they require as much support. So very good done, Shoaib Akhtar. One other good news coming: a war widow, 82-year-old war widow. She has given 2 lakh rupees from a savings fund to the PM Care Fund. Yeah. अरे यार क्या क्या हो रहा है elderly people, the way they have gone out. I'll tell you one other very good news coming. There's a dhaba somewhere between UP and Bihar. It's called Aditya Raj Dhaba. Okay, it's a very old dhaba, 30-40 साल से, like a regular dhaba on the highway. Now a lot of these migrant workers are going, so he has decided to convert that dhaba into langar, and he's a Sardarji. Obviously all the Sardarji तो super hit काम करते हैं. He gives every day 500 meals free of cost as a langar to all the migrant workers जो pass हो रहे हैं. Crazy news, superb news. So these are my positive news because today we're going to discuss a very important subject. So my shrink, Dr. Anjali Chhabria, hi, how are you?
Hello. Yes, my shrink. How are you? I'm the nut today.
You're always, I can't say you're always my nut. It sounds very bad. But, yeah. But so tell me now, today we're going to discuss, a lot of the youth. So a lot of my idiots who watch me are the youths. So let me talk to you. First of all, a lot of these kids are stuck at home. First of all, how do they manage one space, and especially, being with parents with because all these young people, they anyway hate the parents. So how they should manage their space and how should I deal with their parents?
No. First of all, let me correct you. I don't think all young people hate their parents. It's just they don't know how to communicate with their parents. Okay. So some people have found very good ways. They sleep through the day and they awake through the night. And they tell their parents that yes, we are studying at night. So parents are also happy. But of course, there are a lot of issues coming up in this, because suddenly parents are looking at these youngsters in the whole day at home. And every 5 minutes they come and ask them, so what's new? And that really irritates them. So first thing is, please don't get irritated with your parents.
They are your parents.
Yes, they're also stuck at home and they don't want to see your face the whole day. But for them also, it's a punishment. Have your kind of routine set up and communicate that. See, the problem happens is when you don't communicate. So when you communicate that, okay, these are going to be my study times and these are the times that, we can sit together. Parents love to spend time with their children. So spend some time with them, and this is also the time that you also ask them what your responsibilities are.
Okay.
Like, a lot of people are doing their own work themselves. So it's always nice that you start behaving, you're not someone who's just living into the house, You're not a PG in the house. So take up your responsibility, whether it is brooming the house or washing vessels or whatever it is.
Okay.
But communication is very important because when you communicate what time you're going to do what, and the third thing is also have some fun time with the family. Everybody needs some fun time. So whether it's watching some show together or playing games with each other.
Ludo King, yes.
Absolutely. I think the whole world has rediscovered Ludo now. We also play it. So I think if we do that, then things will be a little more relaxed in the house.
Okay. What about getting to know about financials of your parents? Because I don't know,
I think that's a lot of youngsters have been telling me that they're looking at their parents and their parents are really stressed.
Okay.
Because someone has EMIs to pay, somebody is worrying about their child's education, somebody had promised them that, okay, this year I'll send you abroad, and suddenly the funds seem to be a little bit of an issue.
Okay.
So for all those who are worrying about your parents' financial issues, please talk to them. And
Okay.
you can start the topic. Remember when parents come and tell you, I want to talk to you,
Hmm.
it's so stressful. The same way you can go and tell your parents ki, Dad, I want to talk to you, when can we talk?
Okay.
This is also the time to understand and learn about the finances.
Okay.
Where is the money coming from?
Yeah.
How much are we spending? How much are we saving? Do we have any debts?
Yeah.
And what is my responsibility? Sometimes kids get very stressed when money topics come up. But
Correct.
actually, you can also see how you can earn money. A lot of kids have been telling me that we want to earn money and we want to support our parents. So I tell them, first you start supporting yourself. What is your kharcha of the month?
Correct.
Can you look after yourself? Can you
Yeah.
do some online work, and earn some money?
If you
So
remember,
one,
we used to go for the shrink and the nut sessions. And I remember, guys, there's
yes,
a true story. We went to an engineering college in Bombay, third year engineering college. And I asked people, okay, raise your hand and tell you how many of you know what your expenses, I mean, your income is. People didn't have, half of them didn't have a clue what their parents did. Like, हाँ बाप कोई कंप्यूटर कंपनी में काम करता है, क्या कंपनी में काम करता है, नाम क्या है, क्या रोल है, people didn't know. इतने मतलब they were like 18, 19, 20-year old. At that age you should be knowing what your expenses are, what your income is. And so that's why you can, नहीं तो कल गधों की तरह पापा आईफोन चाहिए, अरे but father cannot afford an iPhone, खर्चे है, तो you have to, I think right now, and I think I generally believe कि आजकल के जो बच्चे, they're very, very intelligent, and I think they will immediately fall to line when parents says कि हाँ boss, there's a problem, let's now work together towards it.
and absolutely, see, sometimes even they're adults right now, so we can also be a part of the solution.
Correct.
Okay, what can we do? So sometimes if they go online and they find some cheaper options,
Okay.
that, okay, mom, there's a sale going on rice or on dal or whatever, they can become a part of the solution,
Right.
so that the entire unit starts facing the situation as one.
Okay, so I think the most important thing is clear communication.
Absolutely.
Achha, one other
Absolutely.
thing, a lot of these kids have their schools and colleges are closed. They don't know exams. Half the exams have happened, not happened. Exams hone wale hai, nahi hone wale. They have applied for college. They've got into college admission. They don't know whether the colleges only will start and things like that. A lot of uncertainty around that.
Right.
So what do you advise for them?
So the first thing is that just remind yourself that you are not in it alone, and there are thousands and thousands of children out there or youngsters out there who have the same problem.
It's a global problem.
It's a global problem, whether it is your admission, whether it is your promotion into the next year, or whether it is you getting a job. That is also a situation that people are really getting stressed about. Correct. But the thing is, all the authorities are trying to do whatever they can do. They are also as worried about it. Correct. So the first thing is that just relax. Of course, be in touch. Ask the relevant questions. Like, just don't chill and say, oh, somebody will come to my house and wake me up and say that, now you need to go to the next year. But be in touch with the authorities and do what you want to do. At least right now, this is the time to maybe educate yourself about so many other things that you may want to do.
Correct.
Some people have exams.
Yeah.
Some people have exams which were supposed to be, maybe now or end of May. And there's no communication because nobody is clear as to what to do and how to do.
Correct.
But you can just read a little bit, educate yourself and see how to go about it.
One other important question for all these people out there, most of them now cannot meet their boyfriend or their girlfriends and things like that. I'm sure that also must be playing an important role, because I've not been able to meet my girlfriend for the last, 6 years. So, so
yeah, that is a big problem that's coming up, and what happens is because places in Mumbai especially are very small houses, so there's no privacy also. Correct. So sometimes people have to go into the bathroom and talk to each other
inside the commode.
Yes.
Yeah.
But maybe that makes you feel like there's so much excitement around it that suddenly there will be one people are going to be happy doing it. There's an excitement about talking to your girlfriend or your boyfriend. But yes, that is a concern. But I think we need to just tell ourselves that, okay, this time is going to end. today when you were saying 60th episode, I thought that, oh my God, 2 months ago, I told you that these next 2 months are going to be very stressful, and 2 months have already passed.
Yeah, see.
So,
Yeah.
So this too shall pass.
Absolutely
so
shall pass, and y'all will meet
us.
us, y'all will reunite us, aag lagegi, and volcano futenge and lava niklega, all will happen. Don't worry, sab theek ho jayega. Okay. And one important thing that, there's a lot of pressure on kids that a lot of people are doing, because a lot of people follow all these celebrities on social media, and, Tiger Shroff is, picking up six packs and, picking up mountains, sitting at home, and, kids are saying, yaar, hum log kuch nahi kar rahe hai, so also pressure of other peers of them, which are, who are doing a lot of things. So what is this? Should they take pressure? Should they, really, yeah.
So first of all, see, what happens is all human beings are different. Okay. And people, they react to anxiety in a very different manner. Okay. So while there are those who need to be overactive to do something, and then there are those who take their own time. So I think we need to understand that we are not competing with anybody. Okay. It's okay to take your time. It's okay to relax. It's okay to not feel like studying. A lot of people are not, they don't feel like studying. It's all right. We are
sorry, I'm to interrupt you here. I'm telling you, as a comedian, we are supposed to write always write new sets, but I also think in this pandemic, I just cannot think of anything. Obviously there's good news, positive news kar raha hu, main making jokes around that, but creating a new set, it's become very difficult for me to start thinking, because somewhere down the line, even I am having a light anxiety kya, uncertainty ke kya ho raha hai. So the mind is not very happy to sit and write new sets about it. Yeah. Right, sets are guys, SETS, not sex. वही सोचते हो तुम लोग.
Yeah. So I think it's all right. Don't worry, because it is a new situation. It almost seems of world previous. If Correct. You think about it, that it's been 2 months since I have not gone to the clinic. Yes, I'm doing online sessions, but it almost feels like it was a past world where we Correct. Used to do all those things.
Yeah.
Another problem I'll tell you, which the youth are having today, is a lot of people who used to smoke hidingly, or used to drink. Okay, today they are with their parents.
Yeah.
So, and also they're not able to get a lot of stuff.
Correct.
So honestly, I think it's worked out very well for a lot of them, because so many of them were struggling to give up these habits, and now automatically they've got cleaned out. So I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, even my friend used to go every day down to the cigarette wala. He used to smoke one cigarette. The cigarette wala band hai 2 minutes. He has given up the habit only. He's actually saying that I'm never going to go back to smoking. So I think in a way this has been good. Right. So just like how nature has reclaimed, I think even your body is reclaiming and away from your tobacco and other substances which used to smoke up. So thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much. So I think these are useful tips. And as a parent, as you see, I'm a very nice parent. I don't like to scold my children. And as you can see behind this is my daughter's drawer, which she has not cleansed since I think the day she was born. So Diya, come and clean your cupboard. Okay. Do you think that's the right response, doctor? Okay, guys. Bye. See you. Bye. See you. Love you.
Bye.